afternoon, everyone. So today I don't really post many pictures on where I am when I'm on holiday, but mainly because I'm stuffing my face and I look terrible. But anyway, today we are off to the Phi Phi Islands, Ko Phi Phi in Thailand, and it's the last few days of my holiday, so I'm gonna share it with you guys. So I'm currently in Phuket in Ko Phi Phi beach. Patong was too mental, so I'd never stay there, it's just too mad. But yeah, Ko Phi Phi is a little bit more relaxed, and as you can see, right on the beach, so nice. It's called the Boathouse. So I'm getting a boat there in 40 minutes, so yeah, I will start recording from the boat, so see you later. Finally on the boat after an hour and a half on a bus. Off we go. Not ready to vlog yet, just water. So maybe later I'll come back. Of course the camera would have to steam up. Oh great. It's coming back now. So we just arrived at Phi Phi Islands. Look at this. Nice. Amazing. It's raining. So arrived in Phi Phi, great little boat ride, some nice scenery that I didn't get because it was too windy and all of that, but you got what you were meant to see, which was all of that. So I'm gonna go and check in the hotel and I'll come back later when it's not raining. Bye! Just arriving now, Villa 11. Perfect, thank you very much. Awesome. Ooh, get onto this. Very hot though. Nice. Nice little villa. Cute. Out to a little pool. There's a huge pool party going on. Over there I am definitely joining. And then there's the beach. Hey, so today is a beach day, so I'm gonna just show you around. I'm not gonna go too crazy, but I'm just gonna show you the beach and show you the amazing mountains or the Phi Phi Islands. So here goes. By the way, this place is paradise, especially if you like getting really drunk, because there's lots of alcohol. Not my thing, of course. No. Wow, look at this. It's so nice. It's absolutely boiling today. The sea's not out. I mean, the sea is out, it's not in enough. But you just need to see these. I'm going to come back later and film when it's a bit darker because it's even more beautiful. So hot. Wowza. I'm going to go out there later in the canoe and take my iPhone. So hopefully I can get some more footage. Right, off we go. Show you a few more bits. Just left something in the room, so look how beautiful the villas are that I'm staying in. This is ours, but I know you've seen it before, like, but how nice is it? So nice. Just going in because I've left something in the room. Woo, it is so hot today. So you're probably thinking, why is Chris's hair different? Well, it's because I dived in the sea and it's all wet. because it's so hot. So I'm going into the town now to show you a little bit of the town, and then I'm going to go in a canoe. And as I say, I'm not taking this camera, but I'll take my mobile phone, and hopefully I'll be able to get some more footage. Yeah! So here we are, going into the market. And from behind me, can you imagine? Look at that view from behind me. It's ridiculous. This place is so amazing. Whoa, look at the tree. But that is just phenomenal, that view. So you can get your fruit. Oh, this is all zoomed in. Coconut ice cream. Love a bit of coconut ice cream. So they have all the shops. So it's typical when you're on holiday, I think in Thailand, all the shops, loads of little shops, of course there's a McDonald's there. Wherever you go there's a Mackie D's. So it's absolutely bullet. Oh, have I? Oh, thank you. Oh, this, I was breaking this. Thank you very much. Thanks, mate. Thing that holds the camera snapped off. So we're going there tonight for dinner. It is amazing sushi. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm gutted I'm leaving, actually. No thanks, mate. Look at this. So there you have it. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Obviously I got this part when I was coming in on the boat. So I'm going back now to get a canoe. I was actually gonna hire one of these little boats, because you can hire them for like a few hours and they'll take you wherever you want to go. I think it's better to canoe though, it's more fun. Alright, see you later. We've enjoyed my little expedition. Into plan, I'm gonna get some food first and then go on a canoe. Just stuffed my face, now I'm going to canoe. Can't get enough of this walk. I'm gonna speed it up though. Wow, look at this. Woo! So just paid $2.50 for 2 hours, which is about £5 something, maybe 6. So that's not bad for 2 hours on a canoe. Gonna go to Monkey Island and take my phone, so the footage is probably gonna be crap, but yeah. And that concludes this week's vlog, so I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you have, you can click the like button, share, and subscribe. So as promised, from the canoe, I wanted to get a little bit closer to the islands. Well, they're not islands, are they? They're just mountains. Yes! Okay, be back soon. Wow, look at this. I don't know how she got there, that's so mad. Look at the formation of those rocks. Crazy. I hate the sea urchins, they tried to kill me. Look at all the sea urchins. They tried to attack me when I was in Greece. Well, they didn't try, they definitely did it. Anyway. So just on our way there. Over there to Monkey Island. Woo! Here we go. Made it to Monkey Island. Look, there's a monkey, look. Oh my goodness. There's more monkeys. Oh my goodness.
Everybody's checking out the monkeys.
Look at the state of me. I'm absolutely sweating. I'm just gonna go and get a monkey and say hello, and then I'm gonna go back. Watch this. Monkey. Oh. He's coming over. What's he got? Hello. Wow. I can't believe it. A monkey. Monkey Island. He's getting it. He's getting... No way. Are you going to get him out the canoe?
Non prende bene qua. Volevo vedere quello lì, quel piccolo, ma troppo distante per queste qua lì.
What an amazing place. Just excuse my sweat and greasy look of hair and all that, but I mean, I've just sailed, canoed all the way here. But it really is like something out of shipwreck. It's so nice. I'm just concerned that my look at that. Sorry about the quality of this as well. I didn't bring my main camera because I was concerned it would get wet. So this is the iPhone, but it's still good. Beautiful. Wow. Look at this. What an experience to come here. I can't believe it. But they're a little bit vicious, so I'm definitely getting off because they keep attacking each other and they've just got into someone's canoe, which I put on Instagram. Don't know how he's going to get it out. Anyway, see you later. I hope you've enjoyed this little life-threatening vlog. See you later.